Hey, it's Christina from Loam. Today we're going to tell you how to take this and make a really natural oil-based cleanser out of cactus. Why cactus? Cactus has a ton of betalains, it has essential fatty acids, it's really good for your skin. And we like it when put into a cleanser. You can put it into a mask, we have another video on that. You can put it into an exfoliant, we'll talk to you about how to do that in this video. Or you can use it for the oil-based cleanser we recommend. So today, we're gonna go from this to this. So what you see here is the cactus mash that we saw moments ago, taken and put into, in this case, a little magic bullet, but you can use a blender or a food processor, and mixed with a little bit of oil. What you'll see when you get this out is this beautiful, very light exfoliator and cleanser. So at this point, you can just use it to exfoliate your skin, to do sort of a great cleansing, and then you can add some water. If you want to, you can add something like a castor oil. In this case, we're adding in a black Jamaican castor oil. Gives it a little bit more cleansing properties. Castor oil is probably something you've seen in various hair care recipes. Then you will just mix it up with your spoon. And you have something that is even a little bit more nutrient dense, a little bit harder of a cleanser if you want to. And still retains that same exfoliant, properties to it. You want to add about 9 parts of your regular oil to 1 part castor oil. 8 to 2 if you have sort of oilier skin.